So Google just announced its latest Pixel lineup recently. It's confirmed that it will have two versions, the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 6 will have a new camera design on the back and a small hole punch design on the front. Now let's go to its main feature, the Google Tensor. It is Google's new and first SoC processor. Google claims that Tensor will improve photo and video processing, which in itself is a huge thing. It will also help to power up voice-to-speech and translation software. Google also claimed that Tensor will perform new tasks such as translating between languages in real time and taking still photos even when the subjects are moving. If Google can implement the Tensor chip properly, then you'll also get a boost on the battery life. Well, there isn't much more to say about the Pixel phones yet, because Google themselves hasn't said much about them. Well, it is expected that they will have the latest Android version, better camera and a much better display than before. So that's it for today. We'll make a Pixel 6 review when it officially launches. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated.